Jefferson County Court at Large back in session. The court is in session in two cases. The first case is cause number 318966. The second case is cause number 322442. Now, the first case, cause number 318966, I have before me a motion to revoke probation. And this motion is styled the state of Texas versus Cleveland James Chambers. Mr. Chambers, would you please stand? Okay, now Mr. Chambers, I have before me a motion to revoke your probation that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office on November 3rd of 2020. And in this motion, it alleges that you, Cleveland James Chambers, defendant in the above styled and number cause, was tried on the 14th day of January of 2020 for the offense of possession of marijuana, which is a Class B misdemeanor. And that on such date, that you, defendant, was found guilty and assessed punishment at a term of 90 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $200. And in accordance with the provisions of Article 42.112 of the Code of Criminal Procedure of the state of Texas, said confinement was probated for a period of 1 year upon the conditions that condition 4 that you report to the probation officer as directed by the court or probation officer and obey all rules and regulations of the probation department. Condition 6, work faithfully at suitable employment as far as possible. Condition 8, pay a fine of $200. Restitution was 0. Pay court costs of $772. Pay a probation fee of $60 each month. Pay court-appointed attorney's fees of 0. And your monthly installments were $145 each month. Condition 15, pay for a 10 as directed and successfully complete. Let me read that again. Pay for a 10 as directed and successfully Texas Drug Education Program as directed by the court or probation officer okay. And it's further states that the said defendant, after receiving said probation, violated the terms and conditions of probation thereof in the following manner, to wit: number 1, the said Cleveland James Chambers failed to report to Jefferson County Probation Office as ordered by the court on June 3rd, 2020, July 8th, 2020, August 12th, 2020, and September 214, 2020, as directed in violation of condition 4 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
I'm sorry, for 2014?
I'm looking at, this says September 214, 2020. That's what it says on this motion. Is that? And that's in motion to revoke probation in cause number 318966. It's the last one. It says June 30, 2020, July 8, 2020, August 12, 2020, and September 214, 2020.
Not true.
I'm sure.
Okay. Allegation number 3, the said Cleveland James Chambers failed to work faithfully as suitable employment as far as possible, as ordered by the court in violation of condition 6 of the defendant's probation order. Is that true or not true?
Untrue.
Not true?
Not true.
Okay. And condition number 3, that the said Cleveland James Chamber failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of September 23rd of 2020 was 1,160 in arrears in violation of condition 8 of your probation, of the defendant's probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
And condition number 4, the said Cleveland James Chambers has failed to pay $150 for the Texas Drug Education Program as ordered by the court in violation of condition 15 of the defendant's probation order. Is that true or not true? Now, Mr. Chambers, are you pleading truth freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true because they are true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in cause number 322-422, I have before me a motion to revoke the probation that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this case, in its style, State of Texas versus Cleveland J. Chambers. And in this motion, Mr. Chambers, it states that Cleveland J. Chambers, defendant in the above style, the number cause, was tried on the 14th day of January 2020 for the offense of assault family, a misdemeanor, and that on such date, the said defendant was found guilty and assessed punishment at a term of 90 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $600 in accordance with the provisions of Article 42.12 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. And said confinement was probated for a period of 1 year. In this motion, it states that condition 4, the report to the probation office is directed by the court or probation officer and obey all rules and regulations of the probation department. Condition number 8, pay a fine of $600, restitution of 0, pay court costs. It's behind court costs. $1,012. Pay court costs of $1,012. What? Pay a probation fee of $0 each month. Pay court-appointed attorney's fee of $0 and in monthly installments of $110. Perform 60 hours of community service. It was condition 14 was to perform 60 hours of community service at a rate of 5 hours per week until completed or otherwise specified. Condition 18, pay for, attend as directed and successfully complete anger management program as directed by the court or probation officer. The said defendant, after receiving said probation, violated the terms and condition thereof in that the following manner, to wit, number 1, the said Cleveland J. Chambers failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office as ordered by the court on June 3rd of 2020, July 8th of 2020, August 12th, 2020, and September 21 of 2020, as directed in violation of condition 4 of the defendant's probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
And condition allegation number 2, the said Cleveland J. Chambers failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court and as of September 23rd, 2020, was $860 in arrears in violation of condition 8 of the defendant's probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
And allegation 3 alleges that the said Cleveland J. Chambers failed to perform community service hours required as ordered by the court in violation of condition 14 of the defendant's probation order. Is that true or not true? And condition number or allegation number 4 alleges that the said Cleveland J. Chambers has failed to successfully complete an anger management program as ordered by the court in violation of condition 18 of the defendant's probation. Is that true or not true?
True.
Now, Mr. Chambers, are you pleading truth to these allegations freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading truth to these allegations because they are true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may be seated. Okay. Makes it easier. Okay. So on what the court is going to do at this time, the court is going to take this matter under advisement. The court is going to get a copy of the transcript from the our court reporter, and then just go through everything in this case. Okay, so let's reset it for 30 days. Okay, Ms. Ferrazzo and Mr. Chambers, y'all gonna get y'all reset. Mr. Chambers, once you get your reset from the attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And Ms. Ferrazzo, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Okay. That's it. And Mr. Jefferson County Court at Law is back in session. Next case is cause number 324972. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Mark Taylor. Mark Taylor, no. Mark Taylor is not scheduled to 1:30.
Oh.
Okay. Banks.
Thanks, that was Burbanks.
What did we do on James Hawkins? James Hawkins.
He was arrested in court. Yeah, we already did a bond forfeiture on Banks.
Okay.
Okay, so this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket and a motion to revoke probation docket. Both documents were scheduled 9 a.m. This morning on today's date, July 4th of 2022. In County Court at Law number 2, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. The court will be in recess until 1:30. We have oh, Pico? Is that
They do Pico.
Pico?
He didn't show up.
Got an address.
oh, so they never got an address on it.
And it's been like that.
So we would, no notice,
Okay.
so we can't, okay. So at this time, the court will be in recess until 1:30 this afternoon.